You punch me. This is just see like that. And if it's still there, you don't walk away. You don't walk away like that. Boom. I grab it again. You see that?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, see, it's an elbow shot. It's not a screw. There. Now, you go to the other elbow. This one here, and that way. Now, we'll work on this thing. Let's try this. Now, you can take this first one, go to the bicep. You can go straight into the chest, pectoral muscle.
You see, I had to defend that.
This one hurts like crazy. Be careful. Don't hit each other on this one because you'll be hurt for a week.
Oh, yeah.
It really sore. The point of the elbow digs right into the pec, and it just hurts. Okay, so that's another option. But what I want to do with this one is try with the left elbow. This was a little bit scary because you feel like you're walking into the hook. I'm not even blocking it at all. I'm just coming in. You have the back of your neck. Check this one. And hit. Just drive it in. The nice thing about it is he's, boom, open for your other shots. And this is where that you can hit that neck or even this one. Boom, and then pop this one, and then elbow here. So,
Jesus.
because it's wide open, then you got a little more options as long as you move fast. Okay, try that.